Hi, my name's Elizabeth Nuthall. I am a senior trial manager here at the NPEU, and I've been in trial management type of work for about 30 years now, and I've been at the NPEU for 3 years. So what inspired me to work in clinical trials was that I did a scientific degree. I knew I wanted to work in something scientific, medically related, and by a very lucky accident, my hometown had a contract research organisation that did work for pharmaceutical companies, and I got a summer job with them. And at the end of the summer job, I finished my degree and they just offered me a job, and that was that. It was a lucky accident. My role as a trial manager is really varied. Each day is different. Mainly our role is to organise things. We work with lots of hospitals, doctors, nurses, and it's really interesting. And one of the nice things about being a trial manager is that I can work in many different departments. So I have an interest in medicine, and I've worked with vaccines, I've worked in mental health, obviously currently working with preterm babies. But all you need to do as a trial manager is be organised, and you can work in all those different areas. To be a successful trial manager, I think you need organisation, lots and lots of use of Excel spreadsheets and organising, project plans, things like that. But I also think one of the main things you need is some common sense. So common sense to work out, does this make sense, and what practically you can do about things. Being a good problem solver, also really helpful. As I've already said, each day can be different problems are thrown at us, and it's just a case of getting in there and resolving it. And the other thing I think you need is to be curious. I think to be curious about the research, curious about what's going on, to just always have a think and try and look at things from a different angle. So to be curious about your work, I think really helps as a trial manager. What advice I'd give to someone going into this, most people don't think of this as a career or don't know that this is a career, but it's here, and it's something that's really interesting for people who have an interest in science or an interest in medicine. It's a way of being involved with that without particularly working in a lab or working in a hospital. So I would just say get in touch with the team, come and chat to us about it. You don't necessarily need to have experience. If you're organised and you have an interest in science, then give it a go.